All right, thanks for checking out. Hopefully you saw part 1, but if you didn't, there's a link down in the description area below. But this is part 2 of a Gallagher W110 scale and low bar that we got in for repair. So what we're getting ready to do is finish the repair on it. We don't get very many 110 scales in for repair, so to get one of these in was, I guess, kind of a treat. It's rare to get one in. It was just kind of fun to work on. So what I'm going to do next is I got to put this piece back on here. Now the trick that I've learned, you got these little things right here. They wobble. There's one at each end, and there's 2 right here. These 2 are bolted in from the front side, but these 2 are bolted up here. But they don't always want to stay put. So what you can do, this is what I do, just get like a drill bit and put it in there, so if it does move, it can't move very far because that thing's locking that hole in place. And get another little drill bit and put it at the other one at the other end. Like this one down here is not, it's in the wrong spot. It's fallen over, so I gotta readjust it, get the holes lined up, put that little bit in there, and then you can put the screw in there. And I'm gonna put some cleaner down inside there as well. No, not this stuff. This is the wrong stuff. Hold on. Where's my WD-40 at? Now I'm going to get some anti-corrosive gel. Come on. And this will help, keep it sealed off and hopefully prevent rust from developing. Plus the WD-40 kind of cleans those threads up. So put it down here at this other end. Come on. There it goes. Now that we've got the screws started at both ends, we can spray a little cleaner down there, get that anti-corrosive stuff on there on the threads, put it in here. That might make it easier for next time, if there ever is a next time. These Gallagher low bars are pretty reliable. They don't have too much trouble unless it's environment problem where it was damaged by mice or cows jumping all over the place causing trouble. I was wondering what was going on here. I got ahead of myself. I had to put I put those foot plates back on there. I was like, why are these things sitting flush? There's a foot plate that goes on here, stupid. That goes on there first. So I was wondering why these things were sitting flush, and now they weren't. I'm like, what's going on here? The screws, but they go into like a little recessed area of that foot plate. Alright, gonna go down this other end. do it down here too, because I got ahead of myself. Okay. All right, where's the other cable at? The other end of it. All right, here's the other end of it. So now we're going to solder and heat shrink this area now. So now we're going to strip back this one like we did the other one on the inside. Getting hot out here, turn the fan on. If I remember right, green and blue, black and yellow, because the other two wires were color to color. Strip off each end. All right, now we're going to solder each end individually. And we're going to solder over here. I need to get my third hand over here to help me out. Kind of help hold these wires for me. I'm going to solder these up. Just about done with this one. I hope this is all that's wrong. If not, we got to dig a lot deeper. All right, I need my heat shrink again. All right, green to blue. All right, let's do red. I gotta cut some of that off, it's a little too long. All right, let's do red. Put that one down and we'll stupid mirror thing. right, next. And after that, it's the black one, and then the heat shrink, and then we can lay it on the ground and stand on and test it with the other low bar. Hot, hot, hot. God dang, it's hot. Come on. Oh, God dang. Now we'll blend these two together. Oh, come on. Come on. All right, I got color to color. So now we're going to slide the heat shrink up over all these wires and solder connections. I don't have like a big thing of a big tube, big size of heat shrink, so I will probably wrap this up. But at least we know that the solder joints are all sealed off individually from one another. All right. So now I'm going to lay this on the ground with the other low bar. And we're going to plug them both back into the scale. And we're going to step on there and see what it reads. All right, so that's female to male, so there's that one. Female to male on this one, so that goes right there. Come on. Oh, crap, inside these threads. Dirt and grime and other stuff. Alright, we're going to turn it on. Nothing standing on it. There's that one. Step off. Step on the other one. both working. That's about right. It might be 5-6 pounds difference. You know, I don't know what I weigh. I'm 220, give or take 5 pounds, depending on what I ate that day. So working fine now. So all I gotta do now, I'm gonna tape that up and put some stuff on there, and we'll be good to go. So if you got a scale, low bar needs worked on, especially if it's Gallagher W110 setup or another brand or model, you know, we'll be happy to help you out on that. So until next time, we'll see you guys later. Remember to subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button, tell your friends about us, share the video, whatever, and we'll see you guys later on.